guys, welcome back to the channel. We are finally going to be working on some Fox bodies today. Well, just one actually. The other day I got the 8.9 and I noticed that the front seat still has a problem that I've kind of neglected to fix for quite some time. I'll take you over there and show you what it is here in just a second. Basically, the thing rocks back and forth. It's done that since I put these seats in there. I bought these seats from a friend on the Utah FOXBODY Addicts. We're going to see if we can't figure out what's going on. I don't know if the bracket's broken or just what's going on, but let's get in there and see if we can't do that. All right, let's just kind of show you what's going on. I'll get down here close. You see, it just kind of rocks. I have not investigated this at all. Let's climb under here together. See, you got something broke, or I don't know. Maybe you guys can see that, and I just can't. I'm not on a very good angle. I think the best thing for us to do is just pull this seat all the way out, flip it on its back, and just see what's going on. It's like it's not mounted to the seat rail. I don't see a bolt there, so maybe there's one missing. Maybe there's something loose. Maybe it's broke. Maybe it doesn't make sense at all.
I'm driving a tractor down the road and I got a stick of butter in my pocket. Does that make sense? Hell no, it don't, does it?
First thing we got to do, man, I really ought to take these and paint them one of these days, but you got to remove those two bolts there. It's been a while, but I think those are 15 millimeters, so let me grab some stuff. Are they 15s? Oh, I remembered something. Ooh, I got something falling out of there too. These are actually nuts. When I did the carpet in this, I did a little repaint, so that's why that's got white on it. And I think, I can't remember if those are 15s also or not. Yeah. Oops. Hell, that one wasn't even tight. All right, now I just take this thing, set it like that, and I'm just gonna leave it in here to check this out. Let's see. I can't get in the spot. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a bolt right there. And I'm wondering, oh hell. Ooh, can you see that? This bolt right here is loose. 7/16 is my guess. Smaller. 3/8. I think it's a 10. I'll be damned. My deep 10's missing, but this one was there. Maybe it's stripped. Oh, now it's getting tight. While I'm here, I might as well tighten the other ones. Or at least make sure they're tight. Okay. Okay. A couple of these puppies have been loose so far. All right. I think I'm happy with that. Okay. All right, we'll go ahead and put these nuts back on. All right, now let's see. That's better. I guess the real test is going to be sitting in it. Oh, yeah. Yep, that's way, 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 way better. Both FOXBODYs have plenty of stuff coming up, so stay tuned. And, yeah, enjoy your week. Frickin' love this car. I really do.